Hare Krishna. Today is MLK holiday. This is the first holiday of the year in 2026 at ISKCON of DC. We have a wonderful feast. Please come and take darshan of the deities upstairs. We have our beloved Sri Radha Madan Mohan. We have Gaurnitai. We have Ram Lakshman Hanuman Sita ji. And downstairs is the Govindas restaurant over here. It's actually very well known. It's getting very, very popular. It's been opened recently, like less than a year now. So today, the MLK buffet, we have a huge variety. The spread is phenomenal. Yeah, it's just a very spiritual environment today. The Kirtan is playing in the background. We have lots of people who have come downstairs after darshan. So let me show you what kind of spread we have today. We have the Pani Puri bar, which starts with the meaty chutney over here. Then we have, of course, the water for the Pani Puri. And then the pani for the Pani Puri, the masala for the Pani Puri, the aloo masala. Then we have the puris itself, freshly made over here. Then over here is the drinks group. Like we have, of course, we have water, aam panna, and hot milk tea over here for the cold weather. Then let me show you the entrees. We start with the rice dishes over here. So we have Hyderabadi biryani, plain rice, of course, and some of the entree dishes, which is sambar. Then we have pakoda kadhi. It's a very popular item. We have this one. We have all these fresh pakodas over here with the curry, the rich sauce, yogurt sauce of curry. Then we have the Hyderabadi paneer. It's pretty exotic. Then let's come to the Chinese section. We have some noodles, the Chinese noodles, to go with the Chinese vegetables. This is for somebody who's really interested in having a lot of vegetables. And of course, we don't want to forget the protein to have a good full diet. So we have the vegan soy curry. Then we have gatte ka sabji, the Gujarati gatte ka sabji. Then we have the vegetable kadhai, so that people don't miss out on the vegetables and the minerals they get from the vegetables. All Sattvic food, all very tasty. Then we have the vegetable kofta. This is a real hit item, so you find it pretty much in every buffet because everybody keeps looking forward to this. And a novel dish today, this is the potatoes padimas. It's an Andhra dish. It's been very popular because people just love how exotic and new this dish is. Then we have some of the staples like the chapati, some pizzas for the kids. They have been devouring on these freshly made pizzas. The base of the pizza is also made over here, right in the temple kitchen. So we have the pizzas, then we have the gobi Manchurian, made with cauliflowers. Then the famous Bombay Batata Vada. Yeah. So the Bombayites have been like loving this, and we want to make sure that it's all healthy food. So we have fresh salad over here. 2 trays of salad, one of the greens and the other is the cut cucumbers with the radishes and the tomatoes. The dressing, the yogurt to go after your food, so that it helps in your digestion. All of it. Some pickle, some green chilies for people who like the heat in their food. Then comes the dessert bar. It's an awesome dessert bar. We have mishti doi or sweet yogurt. It's been made right here in the kitchen. It's like a cake. It's been set like a cake, and it's awesome to eat. The creamy texture, the probiotics in it, you cannot go wrong eating that. Then we have the bundi, mishti bundi or the meetha bundi. Then we have the gulab jamuns over here. We have the suji halwa. Then the til chikki. And not to forget the chocolate cake that the kids have been loving, okay? But the hit has been the chocolate fountain over there with strawberries and bananas to eat over here. The kids have been picking on the sticks and making their own chocolate fondue with strawberries and bananas. And the creator of all of this is Mr. Sachi Sutta Das. He's right there. Let me introduce you to our chef from ISKCON of DC. And he's the wonderful person who has been responsible for creating this spread, organizing this, and spearheading this Govindas restaurant over here at Potomac, ISKCON of DC. With that,
Yes,
do you want
so
to say
this
something?
is the right place for pure vegetarian, and you want the pure vegetarian variety, you have to come Govinda's Food Court, ISKCON of DC. So we make lot of variety of vegetarian food.
You do catering as well?
Yes, we do lot of catering, and we do lot of things. Yeah, lot of catering, birthday and marriages. Yeah, we do hall renting also.
Okay. And what is the feedback you've received so far about this venture?
Everybody said good. Everybody said good. Everybody
Maybe you're
like
being
it.
too modest. Okay,
Yeah.
let me tell you, it's been phenomenal. It's been a big attraction. He's also known as the dosa king because he serves freshly made dosas on order. You order it, and within 10 minutes, you'll have a huge dosa made to order to your specifications. You know, sweet dosa, Italian dosa,
Everything dosa.
everything dosa.
Paneer tikka dosa.
Paneer tikka dosa.
And it's a lot of variety of dosas. Yeah, the
And
dosa
of
is very famous here. Yeah.
Yes. Please come visit us, and please take darshan of our beloved Radha Madan Mohan. You will find this environment very spiritual, and I'm sure you'll go back with a big smile on your face. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
30 minutes होएगा